Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I am Damilare Babalula. I just want to introduce you to a 2D analysis software called LINPRO. You can always access the software online. Just go to Google and then search for LINPRO online. Just download it from any of the sites, and it's so small, 1.6 megabytes for static and dynamic analysis of plane frames. Here there's a software, and which is used for 2D analysis of software. You can use it for static analysis, modern analysis, and also dynamic analysis. You can add various load combinations as well. And that's a British standard, Eurocode, American code, and several codes using the whole universe. You can have different types of load, point load, distributed load, temperature loads, and also support settlements. That's for beam and elastic foundations and foundations generally. Also can define your member sizes. And define for rectangular sections, T-section, I-section, box sections, round sections. Also you can view your results. View the structural behavior in terms of bending moments, shear force, axial force, deflection, and also your reactions as well. The software is very handy and it's a good tool for structural engineers in quick determination of all these parameters as I described above. To just run a quick check, let's check for a simple supported beam. Let's start with the node. Before I go on, the node coordinates, the members, and your load icon. You can also right click and pick the joints, select your joints, distance between yours, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters. Right click and pick on members as well. And points, add your load, distributor load, say your members. This is acting downward, say 10. And also say 10. Let's define it and let it act on this member as well. Define, okay, it's acting downward. Now let's define our support. So cancel support as well, just run your analysis. That's a deflector shape. One moment, 31.25, and our reaction, 25.00 kN. And run a quick check with your own calculation to confirm that this is definitely correct one. Let's meet in the new video for more explanation and deeper analysis. Thank you. Bye.